Looking for secure, user-friendly Bitcoin wallet? Let's talk about Blue Wallet. It's a non-custodial Bitcoin wallet, meaning you control your keys, not a third party. Perfect for privacy-focused users. Blue Wallet supports both on-chain transaction and Lightning Network, giving you fast, low-fee payments when you need them. The app also allows you to import multiple wallets, create watch-only wallets, and even connect to your own Bitcoin node for maximum control. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and beginner-friendly, but also packed with advanced features for power users. One downside, it's mobile-only, so not desktop version, and while Lightning is supported, need to connect a third-party service or run your own node to receive payments. So, is Blue Wallet worth it? If you want full control over your Bitcoin and value privacy, just know it requires a bit more technical understanding compared to basic wallets. Thanks for watching!